So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link in the description to download the Windows 11 ISO file. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down till we find Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. You want to click on Select Download and then select Windows 11. Now you want to click on Confirm. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to choose your language and then click on Confirm. Wait for this. Once this comes up, you want to select 64-bit download. It's then going to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. It might take a while, but just wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to highlight all of this, and you want to click right here in the file path location. You want to type in CMD. Again, make sure you have all this highlighted, type in CMD right here, and then click on Enter. And now this will come up. You want to type in here setup space / product space server, and then click on Enter, and then click on Yes. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load, and now this will come up. You want to click on Next. It's going to start checking for updates. Just wait for this. Once this comes up, click on Accept. You can choose what to keep. I'm going to keep my files, settings and apps, and then click on Next. Wait for this to load. It's going to start checking for updates. Wait for this. It's now ready to install. Make sure that you save and close your files before you begin, and then click on Install. It's then going to start installing Windows 11 for you. Wait for this to load. And we're now on Windows 11. That's how you do it.